Good morning. How are you today? In the coffee. In the coffee. Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get a coffee, please? I'd like a cappuccino. I'd like a cappuccino. With sugar, please. With sugar, please. For here or to go. For here or to go. To go, please. To go, please. Medium or large. Medium or large. What's the price? What's the price? Anything else? Anything else? That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you. Take away. Take away. 1 espresso, please. 1 espresso, please. Extra sugar. Extra sugar. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? A table for 1, please. A table for 1, please. A table for two, please. A table for two, please. Is there a free table? Is there a free table? Can I get some water? Can I get some water? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Can I change my order? Can I change my order? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? I'll pay cash. I'll pay cash. Keep the change. Keep the change.